President Muhammadu Buhari has unveiled the new currency notes before the Federal Executive Council meeting at the State House, Abuja. Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, was in attendance during the unveiling ceremony. See pictures of the new Naira notes. Meanwhile, at a briefing after the ceremony before the Federal Executive Council meeting, the CBN governor debunked insinuations that the early unveiling of new notes is a means to target any Nigerian. Mr. Emefiele appealed to members of the public that there is no need to perpetrate any such information. According to him, the CBN will intensify the monitoring process and interrogate the process of withdrawals. He maintained that there will be heavy restriction on the volume of cash that people can withdraw over the counter, as it works with the EFCC to monitor the purpose of any heavy transactions. The redesigned currency notes, he asserts, can never be counterfeited, adding that to forestall such occurrence, he states that the CBN redesigned the notes after every 5 to 8 years. Following the unveiling of the new notes, which begins circulation today, the CBN governor announced that the CBN is now more determined to make Nigeria a cashless economy as in other climes. Following the unveiling of the new notes, Nigerians have come out to drag President Buhari and the CBN governor, Emefiele, saying that they just upgraded the 10 Naira, 20 Naira and 50 Naira notes. Others have called out the government, saying that the president and the CBN governor should be arrested for this. See their reactions. What do you think of the new Naira notes?